Hardly any human activity is as emissions-intensive as constructing buildings. In 2020, around 40% of energy-related CO2 emissions worldwide were attributable to the construction industry. Far-reaching and rapid measures are therefore urgently needed. Our climate is being increasingly burdened by further increases in CO2 emissions, and in the future, fewer and fewer resources will be available for more and more people. With the CO2-neutral construction site by DEUTZ, you benefit from an innovative and economical solution to significantly improve the ecological balance in the construction sector and increase sustainability. How does it work? By using the most innovative all-electric drive systems with self-generated CO2-neutral energy, which is also provided directly on-site by a reliable charging infrastructure. The DEUTZ TCG H2 genset generates the electricity for the climate-neutral construction site, a generator powered exclusively by a hydrogen engine. The electricity is then fed to a mobile storage and plug-and-play fast-charging station, the DEUTZ PowerTree. The DEUTZ PowerTree can then be quickly and easily set up anywhere and immediately put into operation. In this way, almost all electrically powered construction machines can be charged in a short time. In most cases, a lunchtime break is sufficient to charge excavators, telehandlers, and other construction machines. The CO2-neutral construction site from DEUTZ is a step towards a climate-neutral construction industry. At the same time, you can profit from both ecological and economic added value. Because environmentally friendly, low-noise and low-emission construction sites in urban areas are in high demand. And with your zero-emission equipment, you can get public as well as private contracts more easily. In the long term, the switch to e-mobility is cheaper and therefore more economical, thanks to the consumption advantage due to low energy costs. Added to this are far lower maintenance and repair costs. This means that our CO2-neutral construction site not only protects the environment, but also saves financial resources.